guys, welcome back. Are you tired of me yet? I sure hope not, because we have another unboxing. So if you guys saw my luxury wish list for 2025, I'll link that video over here just in case you missed it. I did mention that there are a couple of Hermes bags that are on my wish list for this year, but I did still have a bunch of bags that I had to unbox for you guys. So this is actually not from 2025. This was purchased in 2024. I have such a dream bag to show you guys. You are gonna lose it. Obviously, if you don't follow me on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen this bag. If you follow me on Instagram, I do usually show my bags a little earlier over there. I have unboxings a little in advance over there. So definitely follow me over there if you're not already. This is actually gonna be the bag that came in this box, by the way. This is the same box that I have used in pretty much every single unboxing that I've done, every single Hermes unboxing that I've done on my channel. But this is the actual bag that came in this box. So look at the box. Tell me what you think came in this. Let me know in the comments. And if you want to know what bag came in this box, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you are going to say, if you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays, usually at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're going to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like Hermes Quota bags, because we've got so many of those to show you. I feel like it's definitely where you're going to be. So subscribe if you're not already. And you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a real outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot. Okay, we post a lot of there. So just follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the unboxing.
Everything's alright with a violet sky on my skin. Ooh, baby, I feel high.
You guys, this is such a dream bag for me. You have no clue, okay? I need to get my life together because this is just, but look at it. This is the Hermes Kelly 28. Yes, another Kelly 28. But this is in box leather, Cellier with palladium hardware. I have always wanted a black Kelly, okay? Whenever it came to me getting an Hermes bag in black, the thought of a black Birkin never crossed my mind. Just never. I always loved the way a black Kelly looks. Once I started seeing these box Kellys floating around, you guys, like the vintage box Kellys. This one is not vintage. I believe this is from 2016. I'll leave the right. You know what? I have it on my phone. Why don't I just check my phone? 2019. Look at that. I 100% wanted one with palladium hardware, which is very hard to come by the way. Very hard to come by. I got this one from Anne's Fabulous Finds. I had a great experience. I will link Anne's Fabulous Finds down below. This Twilly I just bought directly from the Hermes website. I'll see if I can link it in the description box for you. But you know, it has a lot of black in it. I thought it was a good match. Listen, I'm very easy to please when it comes to Twillies, okay? If the color of the bag is somewhere in the Twilly, I'm happy. It's really that easy. Look at this box leather, you guys. I fell in love with this. So I always knew I wanted to have a Kelly in box leather. Obviously, these are much easier to come by in like a 28-32 size. So I knew that it would have to be one of those sizes. I honestly am open to a Kelly 32, by the way. I know most people think that's like gigantic. I really don't. I mean, honestly, at this point, I've shown you guys what, like 4 Kelly 28s. Right, yeah. I've shown you 4. This is the 4th Kelly 28 that I'm showing you. So obviously you guys know I like a Kelly 28. And you know what? I'm not even going to apologize, okay? I like the damn Kelly. I don't know what you want me to tell you. And I am sorry, but on the resale market, a Kelly 25 versus a Kelly 28, it just doesn't even make sense to get the Kelly 25, in my opinion. I know I had a Kelly 25 on my wish list for this year. I honestly don't even care that much if that happens because we've got 4 Kelly 28. I think I'm all right. I mean, you guys know box is a heritage leather from Hermes. And by the way, a lot of you guys said that you did want that leather video, the Hermes leather comparison video that I mentioned in my last unboxing, which I'll link up here. But I definitely am going to do that. I just want to wait because I have a couple more leathers to show you guys. Okay. Spoiler alert. So I feel like I want to wait till I get some of those unboxed first, and then we'll kind of get into it. Something else that was very important to me is if you look at a lot of the Kellys in box leather, because they are vintage, they don't have the 2, you can't even see because this damn Twilly. They don't have the 2 grommets here, you know, like one here and then one here. Most of them just have one. So I was very picky. Like I needed that second one. Not that I would be completely opposed. Like if I got another box leather Kelly, maybe on like Rouge H or something, I would be okay if that one only had one. But for the black, for some reason I wanted to. Okay. I just wanted to let me live. And again, a lot of these box leather bags do come, especially when they're in black, they do come with gold hardware. And for me, black and silver or black and palladium is just the way to go. I usually don't care much about hardware, to be honest. Like for most of my unboxings, I don't care. Okay. Like any color that looks good with I'm fine. But for this, like this was the perfect combo. This was the combo of my dreams. Kelly 28 in box with palladium hardware with the 2 grommets. Like it was everything that I needed in my life. There are 2 Hermes bags that I have. Okay. Both Quota bags that I would keep over anything else in my collection. Like if I had to sell every single other bag, I would, but this bag will never go anywhere because the chances of me finding this again, I feel like at the price that I paid also, I don't think they're very high. I will do a comparison because now this is my first Kelly 28 in Cellier. All my other ones are in Retorn. So I will do a comparison between the Retorn and Cellier. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about my newest Kelly. I'm obsessed. I know I've been showing so many Kellys in a row. Okay. Just wait. Other things are coming. Okay. Other things are coming. So just stay tuned. I promise the next unboxing will not be a Kelly. Definitely let me know in the comments what you guys thought. What is your like ultimate dream bag? I mean, this is not my ultimate dream bag. My ultimate would probably be like the Himalayan, like let's be honest, or like a bleed on wheels, because you guys know I'm obsessed with the bleed on wheels. I'll link that video where I talk about that up here. For like feasible bags, this was a dream for me. So definitely let me know in the comments what you guys thought. What is your dream bag from Hermes? What is like at the top of your wish list? If you could get anything, let me know what that would be. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And like I said, I do post unboxings over there first. So follow me over there if you're not already. But that's it for today. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I don't know how to speak English. That's really tragic.